Hey guys, and welcome back to another thrifted versus styled video where I share with you guys pieces I've thrifted from charity shops and how I style them within our home. Everything in this video is under £5 each, so I'm excited to share with you guys how I love to incorporate them into our existing new and old home decor. I will also link my other videos within this series too if you want to go and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.